Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you the Phantom Wallet tutorial for beginners. So first of all, what you have to do is simply type in Phantom Wallet on Google search engine, click on the top search result, and you will land on this page. Now on this page you have to simply click on download for Chrome. So it is also available for other browsers and devices. If you're using another browser, then you can select that browser as well. So I will select download for Chrome. I will simply click on add to Chrome on the Chrome Web Store. It will automatically open the Chrome Web Store, and I will click on add to Chrome and click on add extension. Once the extension has been added, you will automatically land on this page. Simply click on create a new wallet, or if you already have a wallet, you can select that option as well. So I will click on create a new wallet. As I do not have any account, I will select continue with email, or I can create a seed phrase wallet. So I will select create a seed phrase wallet. I have to create a password for it. Click on I agree to the terms of service. Click on continue. It will show you a recovery phrase password. This phrase is only way to recover your wallet. Do not share it with anyone. What I will do, I will take a picture of this screen from my phone, or you can take a screenshot from your computer and save it somewhere very secure place. Because if you lose these phrases that are shown in the screen, then you can never access your wallet again. Whether you have $2,000 or $60,000 in it, no matter how much amount do you have, you can never recover your account once you lose these recovery phrases. Make sure to keep them in a safe and secure place. For instance, I will take a picture on my phone. I will select I have saved my recovery phrases and simply click on continue. Now you're all ready. I will click on get started. Now this is my account. Let's get started. You can add Solana SOL to your wallet to get started, or I can either transfer crypto. And then we have receive, send, swap, and buy options. So let's suppose if I want to add funds in my Ethereum, what I will do, I will simply go back, click on transfer crypto. I will select Ethereum, and then it will show me the Ethereum address. I will copy it and I will send it to the person, and that person will send me on that address. And after he sent me the money, it will be shown on my main account, or it will be shown on this list. So there are some options and tabs like swap tab, search tab, and categories tab, I guess. No collectible found, manage collectible list. So I do not have any collectible list right now. And here I can easily swap my one coin with another without needing an exchange. And here I will see my recent activity. If I have sent or received any funds to anyone, all of the activity will be shown on this list. If I hover my mouse on account 1, then I will be easily able to copy the address of any coin that I want with a single click. I can also click my profile icon, and here I can add or connect more wallets, and I can manage accounts. I can go to settings, manage account preferences, security, and I can change some settings from here. So that's basically how you can use Phantom Wallet, and you can use it to send, receive, swap, or buy cryptocurrency from your wallet. So if you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe.